Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to insert custom QR codes into Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. But first things first, if you guys like this video or find it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. If you're feeling generous, then also super like it or subscribe to the memberships. All right, let's get started. So here I have a bunch of websites. These are just my websites or my accounts to my websites. This is my YouTube channel, Instagram account, X or Twitter, and then my TikTok account. And then here, all the QR codes are going to be linked to these websites. So we're going to go to the first cell here right beside my YouTube channel. And then we're going to type in this function. So we're going to copy and paste it. Identified, paste without active content. That's fine. So we're going to write image, quotation, HTTPS, :/API.QRserver.com version 1 create -QR code $size equals 150 times 150 and symbol data equals quotation and D6 and symbol quotation. So the only thing that's really going to change is this D6, and where I got that from was my two cells, or my two rows of cells are merged together, so it's always the first one. So mine is, so this is D, you just can't see it, D and then 6. So that's where I got D6. Yours, if it's J15 or J or G18, whatever it may be, then just make sure that you get rid of it. And then let's say G25, then just make sure that that's highlighted exactly like that. But mine is D6. It's fully highlighted, so we know we picked the correct one. And then all you have to do is just click enter. And then that's it. And then you can test it by checking it on your phone, which I'm going to do. It opens up and it goes right to my YouTube channel. And then how we do the rest of these, we don't have to go back and edit every single time. We can actually just highlight the cell with the QR code that we just made with the little box. And then you see how it changes to a black one, to a black cross. Hover over it. And then just drag it down. And then there's all your custom QR codes. That's basically it. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.